this is the big red flag in network marketing. If we can solve this one, and we can get more network marketers thinking about two components. One, you want to have a component where you put yourself and your family in a position where you can generate wealth. That's the goal. There's a difference. So you're generating your cash flow. Let's say, I'll give you an example, right? Let's say that your lifestyle, just as an example, that you're used to spending $2,000 a month. You're used to, let's say that's your budget, or that's what you're at your job, and so on. Just as an example, some people are 10,000, 20, and 100,000. But I'm just saying, keep it simple for $2,000 a month. Now, all of a sudden, you're in your network marketing business, and all of a sudden, you're starting to grow a team. It gets exciting, and now you've got $3,000, maybe $4,000 a month. I'm saying, keep your lifestyle at the $2,000 a month level. Keep it there, but take some of that extra, everybody write this one down, the extra, some of the extra, and put it into a income producing asset, an asset that's going to produce income. An income, write this down, guys. Take some of your money. Okay, once you meet your basic needs, you're going to have extra. Instead of buying the stuff that's not going to give you back value, take some of that money. You can decide how much, but take some of it and put it into an income producing asset. It means an asset that you can put in, and you're doing this every month. You put it into an asset that's going to generate income, passive income, without even looking at it. So here I am working on my business. I take a little bit of money, I put it over here, a little bit of money, not all of it, some of it in an income, and month after month, I'm putting a little bit more every month, a little bit more, just a little bit, right? And this asset is producing an income passively. So what happens if something and who hasn't heard of these stories, right? I mean, we've created multi-millionaires. I mean, they should be multi-millionaires. But what happened? Some of them just started spending like on 4 cars. Like one wasn't enough. They needed to have 4 cars and 3 houses, right? And then all of a sudden, the company hits a bump in the road, which will happen. It's just the cycle of life and the cycle of business. But most, when the income is going up, instead of taking some and putting it into an income producing asset, they take all of it and just buy a bigger Bentley or a bigger house. And then when their volume goes down a little bit, or has a bad month or a bad summer, whatever it is, they're out of business. I mean, they're suffering. How is it possible that these people have made millions and millions and millions of dollars, and in a few short months they're broke? I'm going, this is criminal. If you're a leader, if you think you're a leader in the industry, and you don't have a mechanism, or at least be thinking about a mechanism to teach and be responsible, because they're going to make some money. Even people with no experience, they're going to make some money. They're going to make extra. And I'm talking about the extra. I'm not talking about their basics or depriving anything of maybe, a little bit of the extra, put it into an income. So that's kind of the formula for massive, massive, massive success.